So we're going to mount the front fender bracket onto our triple tree. Goes up in there. I like to take them up together equally because it can like bind on you. So if you take them up equally, that'll never happen. Okay, and make sure when you tighten these, they're snug. I wouldn't over tighten a 6mm, but I would just make sure that you're snug. You notice we didn't mount the fenders. You have to install the engine first. So on this particular build, you're going to start up here at the front. Okay, these happen to use a 6mm pan head screw. This is not a bolt. The front fender on the SL70 is the only one that does that actually. Where this will be, the rear fender is mounted with bolts, but the front fender actually gets a little smoother, cleaner look, just what this actual bolt gives it. Switch it up here. There you are. Now the front fender is installed. So this is the rear fender rubber mount. So this will actually fit in place on this bracket. Okay, that will slide into there. We'll grab the rear fender. Slide this guy right up through here and then bring it around, and that actually fits in the lower portion of that mounting bracket below. Let's switch that around and put it on here first. Now that's installed in place there. We're actually going to grab our rear mounting rubber, put it onto there. And then our rear bracket goes on like this. We'll start with that back bolt towards the back. And all I want you to do with this is just get it started. There we go. Got both of them in place. And that now has your rear fender mounted. Now we're going to install the Petcock on the bottom side of your tank. So as you can tell, we're using a 6mm pan head screw there again. Now keep in mind, you're going to want some depth to go down in there to hold securely, because actually what this seals up is the O-ring seals against the flat portion of the bottom of the tank. So it is okay that that area is painted, okay, because it'll actually seal up very nice against that painted surface. And snug it down really good so that has a chance to seal. When you go back together with this, your first part of your strain here in your Petcock will go down in there to line up nice and flush. And also, don't be afraid, I've already pre-lubed this, but don't be afraid to put a little grease around there. Grease with the actual rubber O-ring, you get a very good seal. That way nothing sticks and binds or causes it to bunch up in the wrong area. So then you'll put your bowl back on, and there again, just kind of snug it up. It doesn't have to be super tight, but just snug it very tightly. Now we have got the Petcock installed on our new tank. Let's install the tank on there. Make sure your rubber cushions are in place, and that tank will actually just slide right down up in there into the holders. And then it's right in place. Come to the back, pull your tab out. That tucks right down in there on the SL70, and that is your holder for the back. Everything is mounted in rubber, and it is good and sturdy.